What's going on, YouTube? We got a Blade 230 we picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm probably about to do something really dumb here. It's like my first time flying a helicopter ever. And yeah, it's a little windy. We got like 7-ish mile an hour winds, 7, 8. I've got safe on, so I'm hoping that is gonna work. I'm in high rates, just so I can fight this wind, hopefully. Yeah, wish me luck. Let's step back here. I'm gonna stay behind it. The wind's kind of blowing at me. We're in safe right now. Real wobbly. First time ever flying a heli. This is pretty cool. Let's give it a little spin. Alright, let's see if we can land it, especially with all this wind. So we're gonna turn it like this. Whoa, whoa. Little landing, take back off. It's getting a little gusty. Let's park her down. Alright. That was awesome. Let's try it again. Alright. Let's spool up. Start to push up on the throttle. There we go, and we're up. We are out of safe. Let's take it up. I want to try for a flip. Let's go back into safe. Our timer just went out, so we're going to bring it down. Alright, that was so awesome, you guys. That was our first heli flight ever. That was exciting. I'm shaking from that. Throttle cut is on. Let's take her back and we're going to check the battery. Alright, 3 minutes of flight on the 850, and we got 32%, 379, 379, 379. We are at storage.